going to show you how to play the Battle Hymn of the Republic. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the introduction that I'm using. It's actually a good little technical exercise for you. You're playing the first four notes of the F scale, and you just slide right up them with your left hand using these four fingers. F, G, A, B flat. Pause. Pause. So it'll sound like drums, and in this hand you're using F, G, A, B flat with first four fingers. Thumb, index, middle finger, ring finger. So it'll sound like brum, 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 just like drums would play. Because this was a marching hymn that you could march to. Then let's go right to the introduction, or right to the melody. So start on an F. We're in the key of B flat, and we start on an F. F, F, E flat, D, F, B flat, C, D, 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 C, B flat, B flat, A, G, 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 A, B flat, A, B flat, G, F, G, F, D, F. Then we got B flat, C, C, B flat, A, B flat, and then we'll put a little trumpet sound, little riff in there with Fs, three triplets. And then I usually slow them down slightly as we go into the chorus. And in the chorus, F, E flat, D, F, B flat, C, D, B flat, G, A, B flat, A, B flat, G, F, D, F, E flat, D, F, B flat, C, D, B flat, C, C, B flat, A, B flat. And then for the second verse, we'll change the key, and we'll go into the key of E flat, so we keep that B flat in the melody. So we'll end with a B flat. So we'll have the same melody, but it'll be B flat. A flat, G, B flat, E flat, F, G, D, D, E flat, D, C, D, E flat, D, E flat, C, B flat, C, B flat, G, B flat, E flat, F, F, E flat, D, E flat, and then we do the same triplet, only this time it's on a B flat. And then slow the chorus way down. B flat, A flat, G, B flat, E flat, F, G, B, E flat, C, D, E flat, D, E flat, C, B flat, G, B flat, A flat, G, B flat, E flat, F, G, E flat, F, F, E flat, D, E flat. And then for the tag, I'll show you that, but we just double time it and go on up. G and B flat, hit it again, and G sharp and B, hit it again, and then up to B flat, E flat, B flat. So it'll sound all the way up to the top of the piano right there. So if you want to just play the melody by itself, you can. B flat chord if you want to. So if you just want to play the melody, you can. You can play that in a matter of minutes today. But we get the intro. Now the reason you don't want to just play the melody is because I got the bass very simple. You got B flat, bum, 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 E flat, back to bum, bum, bum on B flat, B flat, then walk it down, B flat, A, G, E flat, F, B flat, flat. So I'll take it slowly so you can see it. Just going to go B flat, F, B flat, F, B flat, A, G, F, E flat, B flat, E flat, B flat, B flat, A, G, F, B flat, F, B flat, F, B flat, A, G, E flat, F, B flat, A flat, G, F, and we're into the key of E flat. So you're going to walk it down, throwing an A flat in right there. We're into the key of E flat. So when we're in the key of B flat, so the chord. Well, let's put it together. Let's put it together from the beginning. Different when we're playing in the key of E flat, we've got E flat, B flat, and A flat, A flat, E flat, A flat, E flat, B flat, E flat, B flat, E flat, E flat, then E flat, D, C, A flat, B flat, E flat, and B flat. So that when we go the melody out just as it is. Now all we're going to do on that chorus is we're just going to play E flat, B flat, flat, and then A flat and E flat. Back to the E flat and the B flat, and then when we do A flat, B flat, E flat, D, C, B flat, and then we'll finish it out with the tag. Now let's get the tag. Double time here. So truth is marching on, and then we'll just put a tag on the end of it. Hit that again. Then we're going to go to an E chord here. So we're going to throw an E chord in. All I'm going to do in the right hand is G sharp and B. And in the left hand, we'll go to G sharp, B, E, hit it again, and then go all the way up to B flat, E flat, B flat. And then down here, we'll have E flat, B flat, E flat. So we'll have just the opposite. So we have an open 4th and 5th, and an open 5th and 4th down here. So the chorus. So the chorus with the tag. have it, the Battle Hymn of the Republic. Hope you enjoy playing it.